Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your NBKC Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your NBKC Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in nbkc.com and make a search. The official page of NBKC Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Choose an account to log in, whether it's your home loan, credit card or bank account from the drop-down. Once you're done choosing an account, tap on it. Enter your login ID and password associated with your NBKC Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your NBKC Mortgage account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.